Identifying a rough diamond at home can be challenging, especially for beginners. Rough diamonds often look like ordinary stones, making it easy to confuse them with quartz or other minerals. However, there are several simple and effective home tests that can help you determine whether a stone might be a real rough diamond before taking it to a professional gemologist. Open quote. These methods are not 100% conclusive, but they are excellent first steps. Close quote. Number 1. Visual inspection, natural shape test. Real rough diamonds usually have sharp, well-defined edges, an irregular, natural crystal shape, a greasy or oily surface appearance. Fake stones often look too smooth or rounded. Tip, rough diamonds rarely look perfect. Number 2, transparency test. Try placing the stone over printed text or a line. Real rough diamonds do not allow clear visibility through them. If you can clearly see text through the stone, it is likely not a diamond. Diamonds strongly refract light, even in rough form. Number 3, scratch test. With caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material. Try scratching a piece of glass with a stone. A real diamond can scratch glass easily. Warning, this test can damage both the stone and the glass. Use carefully. Hammer 4, water density test. Place the stone in a glass of water. A real diamond will sink immediately. Fake stones may float or sink slowly. This works because diamonds have high density. 5. Fog test, breath test. Breathe on the stone as if fogging a mirror. A real diamond disperses heat quickly, so the fog disappears instantly. Fake stones stay foggy for a few seconds. Simple but surprisingly effective. Number 6, heat resistance test, Advanced. Diamonds can resist extreme heat. Heat the stone for about 30 seconds. Drop it into cold water. If it cracks, it is not a real diamond. This test is risky and not recommended for valuable stones. Number 7, UV light test. Under ultraviolet UV light, many real diamonds glow blue. Most fake stones do not react. Note, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test alone is not decisive. Final advice. Home tests are useful, but they are not a replacement for professional testing. If your stone passes multiple tests, the chances of it being a real rough diamond are higher. For valuable stones, always consult a certified gemologist, a diamond testing laboratory. Conclusion. Learning how to check a rough diamond at home using easy methods can save time and avoid scams. By combining visual inspection, water tests, fog tests, and scratch resistance, you can make a more confident judgment before seeking professional verification.